If you want to change the wallpaper on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Wallpaper and Style. Select Change Wallpapers. Now you can either select a wallpaper from the featured section over here. As you can see, you have a dynamic wallpaper and a few featured wallpapers. You can select any of the graphical options from here. But if you want to set a photo from your gallery app as your wallpaper, just tap on Gallery. Then open a folder where you have saved your wallpapers. For an example, I will open this folder, and from here just select any wallpaper which you like. Then tap on Done. Now if you want to set this wallpaper on your home screen and on your lock screen, just select both of these options. But if you want to set it only on your home screen, just remove the option for lock screen. Now just tap on Next, then select Done. And as you can see, this is how you can set a wallpaper on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.